Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change the display setting in MacBook OS. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to click on this option. As you can see, it has an option for the system and preferences. If you want to open this from the launchpad, you can also do that. You have to click on this and you will get this options here. If you want to open this from here, you can also do that. You simply have to click on this. So as you can see, it's open now. What we need to do, simply we have to click on the general. So as you can see, there's a general option. So let's click on this. After clicking on this, as you can see, it has an option for the appearance. If you want to change this one, you can also do that. Like it's auto. If you want to make it dark, you can also do that. Or if you want to make it light, you can also do that. So as you can see, these three options are provided here. If you want to change out the color, you can also do that. And accent color, it's up to you. The blue and the purple and the pink, all the colors are provided here. Like the sidebar icon size, it's a medium, large, and you can also change that. All the options are provided here. You just have to change them. You can arrange them as per your need, as per your decision. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can change the display settings in MacBook OS. So see you guys in the next video.